welcome back to KnowHow. In today's Microsoft Word tutorial, we are going to learn about hyperlinks. Adding hyperlink to text can provide access to website and email address directly from your document. There are few ways to insert a hyperlink in your document depending on how you want the link to appear. You can use Word automatic link formatting or convert text into link. In this tutorial, we will be learning how we can insert, edit and delete hyperlink in Word. So stick around and watch this video till end.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
First, we will be understanding hyperlinks in Word. Hyperlinks have two basic parts, the address of the web page and the display text. In our example, we have different useful things to enjoy in free times, and we have the list of things that we can do in the free time. If we want to link this first activity with some website, we can use this hyperlink. When you create a hyperlink in Word, you will be able to choose both the address and display text. Word often recognizes email and web addresses as you type and will automatically format them as hyperlink after you press enter or the space bar. Now we are going to learn how we can format text with hyperlink. First, we have to select the text that we want to format as hyperlink. Like for example, if I want to provide this magazine with some web address, I will select this text, select the insert tab and then click the link command over here. Alternatively, you can open the insert hyperlink dialog box by right-clicking the selected text and selecting the link from the menu that appears. By any means, the insert hyperlink dialog box will appear. Using the option on the left side, you can choose the link to file, web page, email address, document, or a place in the current document. For example, if I want to link this with some web page, I will select this option and then I will type the address over here and then click OK. The text will be formatted as hyperlink. After you create a hyperlink, you should test it. If you have linked to a website, your web browser should automatically open and display the site. If it doesn't work, check the hyperlink address for misspelling. To follow the link, I have to hold the Control key and then click this text. And your web page is opened. I am going to close this window. Now we are going to learn how we can edit and remove the hyperlinks. Once you have inserted a hyperlink, you can right-click the hyperlink to edit, open, copy or remove it. For this purpose, I am going to right-click it and here you can see all these options of editing, copying or removing the hyperlink. Let's say we want to remove this hyperlink. For this purpose, I will right-click it and then select the Remove Hyperlink from this menu and the hyperlink will be removed. Similarly, we can link any text with the email address. For this purpose, for example, I want to link this feedback to the email address. For this purpose, I am selecting this text and then right-click it and here I will select the link. When I click the link, Insert Hyperlink dialog box open. Here this time I will select the email address and here I will enter the email address. After entering the email address, I can also add the subject. For example, I am writing it as feedback and then I will click OK. To follow this link, I have to hold the Control key and then click this text. When I click it, it takes me to my mailbox and here I can send mail to this email address. I hope you would have understand how you can insert hyperlink, edit the hyperlink or delete a hyperlink. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.